Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at the energies of you and the person you are dealing with or the person who is on your mind. So, and the link to the extended will be on Patreon, which will be given in the description box below. So if this reading resonates with you, do click the link and join me on Patreon. And if you choose to do that, then the first 10 participants or the first 10 people who join me on Patreon will be given a totally free reading of one question. So let's explore your energies of you and your person. So what's there on your side, Cancerians? What's your energy? Oh, so on your side you have the Death card. Okay. Your current feelings for the person you are dealing with. The King of Wands. Okay. The best course of action according to you. What do you think is right to do? The Nine of Cups. Okay. Let's see what are the energies of the person you are dealing with, Cancerians. Their energies are the Six of Wands. Okay. Their current feelings for you. Their current feelings for you. So their current feelings are the Ace of Cups. Okay. The best course of action according to them is the Eight of Cups. Okay. The most likely outcome of this connection. This card has fallen down. The Four of Cups, it's showing up again and again. I'll just keep it there. Okay, so the most likely outcome of this connection is the Justice. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, your energies, Cancerians, you are dealing with a major shift over here. You are dealing with a major transition over here. There are certain things in your life are wrapping up, certain things are ending, and you are, even if you are not having a sight right now, but definitely you are entering a phase of a new beginning, definitely. Okay, so you will be able to see a new dawn, definitely, but then yes, you are as for now experiencing a major transition in your life. Endings and new beginnings are there on the horizon, but definitely it is a major change which is going on right now in your life. So this is your general energy. We'll explore that, yes, on Patreon as to what it is you are dealing with, but as for now these are your general energies, endings and beginnings. A huge transition. It can be totally an internal shift in your perception, in your life, in your way to look things, anything. It can be a major change of any damn thing in your life, maybe just your perspective. Okay. As far as your feelings are concerned for them, with the King of Wands, definitely you feel attracted to them. You feel that they are attractive, you feel attracted to them, you feel that this person is strong, they are control, they are like, they have their shit together. It's like you feel really attracted to this person. Actually, you feel they're very sorted out. You feel this person is in, you feel this person is empowered. They have it's like everything. They are confident, they are sexy, they are attractive, maybe they are in a good financial position, they are in a very good authoritative position, whatever. It's something like that. So you are really feeling attracted to this person. The best course of action is the Nine of Cups. So definitely it's coming as the best course of action. So what I feel here is that though you are very happy with this person, but I really don't see that. Maybe you will not show that. Though you are content, you are happy with this person, perhaps you are a little closed off right now. I really don't. Maybe you're just sitting and seeing as to how things unfold. You are emotionally content with this person, yes, but I really don't feel that you're going to open up right now, or you're opening up right now. As far as your person is concerned, with the Six of Wands, these are the general energy. So this person is very happy. They are feeling celebrated. They are feeling happy. They have the support of people. Maybe they have really something, they have achieved something, can be that. But this person is really in a very good position, a good state of mind. This person is really happy. Their feelings for you, maybe they are happy to meet you. As simple as that. As far as the relationship is concerned, with the Ace of Cups, what else do you want? Their current feelings for you, they really want a new beginning with you. They are brimming with joy. They want to offer their cup of love to you. This person is really wanting to have a new beginning with you. They really love you. So they definitely, there is no doubt about that. The best course of action with the Eight of Cups, I think they are ready to release the past and move on with you. That's what I feel. This person is letting go of something. Now this letting go can be something, if it has happened, something has happened between both of you, can be that. But definitely this person is choosing to walk away from something which is not serving them right now. Maybe it was something important at any some point in time, but as for now, this person is walking away from those things and letting go of certain things and moving towards something else. So it seems to be the transition to some extent on this person's side also. They're letting go of certain things and moving on in life. The most likely outcome was the Justice card, though the Four of Cups was showed up. It can be because of the Death card here. Maybe somebody is upset over here, not in a position to see or not, or in a position to accept any new thing in their life right now. It's maybe this person is grieving the loss or grieving the change, whatever it is, not really focused as to what's going on in their life, not ready for a change as such. So it is just that hibernation type of a mode. So this person is somebody here is having, which to me seems to be you. And the most likely outcome which has come is the Justice. So definitely things getting sorted out, some decision being made, maybe some truth comes out, but things getting sorted out and decision being made with the Justice. Okay, so Cancerians, what I feel here is that whatever the transition is, ultimately I see you being happy for you will be able to embrace this change definitely. And this person really wants to have a new beginning with you. They are ready to relieve the past, release anything which was holding them back, and they really want a new beginning with you. So Cancerians, I'll explore the energies of these cards on Patreon. The link is given in the description box below. So if this reading resonates with you, do join me there. And if you want to be here only on YouTube, then also I just hope it helps. Thank you for being here. Bye.